Did I showed you guys last year how to do a mandarin candle? Oh, no, I didn't show you guys. Okay, then I can show you. Candle with a mandarin. I don't know. Maybe you guys, some of you guys know how you do that. But it's something I found out when I was younger, you know? So the whole thing is, we have now two. Oh, now you can check out better the big one, you know? As you can see, I already did it in the session because I want to eat the mandarin. This is what we want. We want half thingy, and then we don't put this. Yeah, this was a mandarin, if you guys know, you know? So, and then we're gonna put some oil, but wait a moment, before that, I'm gonna show you the result, and then I show you how you can do it yourself if you guys don't know. So we're gonna put some oil in here, yeah, like this, you know, not too much, because oil is expensive in Germany at the moment, or for some reason I have the feeling. And then we're starting a fire. Yeah, and then it's working. You want help? Yeah, wait, I'm gonna turn off the lights, maybe you can see that. So the whole idea, now you can maybe see, yeah, this is the mandarin candle, you know, you can see that, I guess, hopefully it's working. And how you're gonna do that, you know, is basically you cut this into half, so you have one side with a wick and one side with a head. So you have to, how many, 2 minutes left? Yeah, clap in the chat. Yeah. So you basically do this, you know. So okay, like this, you have this part. Oh wait, I'm gonna turn on the light again. So you have it like this, you know. Then you do this, you know, like turning and thinging, you know. You have to pull now the mandarin out. And now it's the nasty part. Now I have to wash my hands after this one, you know. Then you're gonna pull the mandarin out, and then you have, yeah, this is how it should not look. But then you have this, you have the small wick in the middle, then you fill it up with oil, and then it will burn like this beautiful candle over here, you know. Look, good, right? Cool. I would say it's cool. Elementary school though, yeah, I think I don't know, elementary school, is it the same as primary school in Germany? But I also did it there in primary school when I was really young. So it's a kindergarten thing, I guess. But maybe we have some kindergarten kids in the chat today. We never know, you know. It's making sound. Yeah. So it works like this, you know. The wick is sucking the oil, and then the oil is burning down. Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah, I can also hear it. I'm 5, yeah, I'm gonna blame you if I burn out my house. Oh man, the oil is burning down, yeah.